Oh no. That's terrifying. Get ready, because right now I'm going to take you through some unexpected situations. Start with the Mack truck performing a spectacular stunt with a heavy load of logs. Equipped with a Spicer 5x4 dual-lever transmission and a powerful Detroit V8 engine, the Mack easily overcomes the challenge. The engine roars, the wheels spin, demonstrating outstanding endurance. Oh no! A serious incident occurred when the lift malfunctioned. The cable snapped, causing the entire machine to collapse in an instant. Next, when the cement truck breaks down, the cranes are operating with the wrong load, making the lifting process risky. Even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Accurate load calculation is always the key factor. Wow, honestly, I'm not sure he knows what he's doing. The 500 horsepower excavator roared down the riverbed, its boom extended, making powerful digging strokes. Immediately after, the two engaged in a tense tug-of-war, the wheels spinning, the ground shaking. The roar of the engine rang out fiercely. Everyone exerted their strength until the last second. The result? A close match that left the audience breathless. Don't hesitate to leave a like if you are interested in these moments. Everything has its limits, and when the train derailed, chaos broke out immediately. The bulldozer with its roaring engine rushed into the scene, plowing through the rubble, clearing away every trace, restoring order in the dust. Oh my, is it a tractor or a real monster? With a powerful engine and outstanding horsepower, it pulls logs down from the top of the hill. Its steel nerves help it conquer the rugged terrain, easily overcoming all obstacles. Next, in a tense scene, the Duramax with 500 horsepower engine like a giant machine easily pulls the pickup stuck in deep snow. The power beyond the limit makes all obstacles submit to the invincible technology. A spectacular sight as the MF-274 from Srpska Ugljevic Tutanjevac squares off against the Universal DT-445 in a dramatic tug-of-war. The two tractors strain, wheels screeching on the ground, showing their superior strength in a fierce battle. As soon as the situation becomes tense, the AVM 355 Bulldozer operates at maximum capacity, pulling the damaged vehicle with incredible strength. The engine roars, the wheels dig the soil. Each decisive pull helps the vehicle escape from difficulty. The superior power of the AVM 355 is evident in every operation. When the power is activated, the VTN CI 13,000 hydraulic cutter with sharp cutting blades begins each precise cut on the recycled cars. The powerful engine and huge hydraulic pressure tear apart solid metal, creating large pieces, showing off the machine's superior power. With challenging hauling skills, including moving oversized trucks and heavy equipment, such as the world's largest wheel loader with a 3,500 horsepower engine. These vehicles pull loads up to 705,387 pounds, often used in construction and bridge launching. Can't take my eyes off this moment. The impressive scene when the powerful 350 horsepower crane is rescuing the overturned car. The crane slowly lifts the car. The engine roars loudly. The cable is taut like a guitar string, showing off its outstanding strength and durability. As the situation became increasingly dire, the powerful 250 horsepower Tiger Cat 1075B was struggling in the mud, trying to escape but failing. With its wheels spinning and covered in mud, the powerful tractor was its only hope of rescuing it from its impasse. The sight of the Adremet Bay crane lifting a giant truck bed is truly impressive. The superior power and powerful engine help the crane easily overcome all obstacles, conquer challenges, and affirm its excellent performance.
Amazon versus Ford Ranger.
As soon as the engines roared, the dramatic scene unfolded as the Ford Ranger and Toyota Land Cruiser faced off in a tense tug-of-war. Two powerful vehicles, engines roaring, wheels scraping the ground, gripping the road firmly. This battle of strength was fierce, each vehicle showing superior capabilities.
Come to County Tyrone, they know how to have a good time.
Unbelievable. A lorry driver tried to turn around in a tight space in Stockport, but the large size of the vehicle and the narrow streets made it difficult for him. After several attempts, he finally gave up, unable to perform the move. If you are interested in these scenes, don't hesitate to leave a like. Can the tractor get out of the mud? Completely buried, it seems hopeless. But with the log tied to the wheel, its grip is enhanced. The wheel starts spinning, rising out of the mud, creating a dramatic and spectacular moment. Unexpectedly, in a split second, the truck lifted the container to dump the goods, but unfortunately flipped upside down. In a dangerous situation, fortunately the excavator appeared in time to help. Thanks to the quick support, the driver safely escaped the vehicle, avoiding a serious accident. Following that tense scene, the giant iron crane roared and started to lift the giant boat at Watchet Marina. The powerful engine helped the crane easily lift the boat despite the severe damage to the propeller and drive shaft, creating a tense and dramatic scene.
Oh, it don't sound good, does it? But it's clear. It's going up. Because I need to inspect the underneath of the ship.
It's unbelievable. The greeting between these two boats is unique. Alanis and Florence Spirit collided right in the Welland Canal, creating an unexpected situation that attracted all eyes between the giant machines on the water. Weighing in at 600,000 pounds, the Hitachi EX 2600-6 excavator required 2 heavy-duty trucks to transport it. The scene became dramatic as the powerful truck struggled to pull the giant excavator over bumpy roads, demonstrating the sheer strength and durability of both.
Эксклюзивная тачка, скажем так.
Can the four-wheel drive man, TGA, handle this heavy-duty transport challenge? Despite its superior power and good traction, the enormous weight of the cargo makes the vehicle roar as it tries to overcome the rough roads.
Looks good.
Amazing. This huge house was moved by just a giant truck, equipped with a 2,500 horsepower engine. With its overwhelming power, the truck gently lifted and pulled the giant structure, making the journey a dramatic and impressive feat of engineering. The John Deere 350 excavator with a powerful 350 horsepower engine crushed the car in just a few seconds. The overwhelming power of the machine seemed to swallow everything, affirming the amazing capabilities of modern technology. With an 800 horsepower engine, it drives the giant blades for the largest wind tower in Portugal. Its superior power and high load capacity make it easy to complete tasks in harsh conditions, ensuring optimal efficiency. Faced with the task of demolishing bridges on the busiest highways, the Volvo EC550EL and EC380EL, with 500 and 375 horsepower engines, were like steel hurricanes. The thunderous crash woke up the space. The overwhelming power of the two machines completed the job quickly and impressively. The recycling of an old railway bridge near Niscos/Reg is a testament to technological progress. The powerful stricker machine efficiently processes steel bridges. Equipped with a powerful motor, the machine easily dismantles and recycles each piece of steel, creating a sustainable process.